Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new update on XRP. Obviously, I couldn't not take a look at XRP with what happened overnight. We had a big flush, big drop by Bitcoin, which influenced almost all other altcoins. Almost all, not all, maybe some smaller on-chain. Well, some cryptos weren't as influenced, like Beam. Sure had a bit of a drop, but overall recovered very quickly. Doesn't matter. XRP was influenced quite a bit. Before that, we already dropped down, which we, well, if you watch my previous updates on XRP, was expected. But now, look, the bad news is that purely technically, XRP has fallen back down into this awful consolidation range right here between 63 or 64 cents and then 59 cents. So purely technically, you could say that XRP is actually neutral again. I don't agree. I don't agree fully with that, because after such a big drop, the markets are usually very volatile. So XRP at this moment, hours after the flush, could still recover quickly. Like if XRP is able to break above 64 cents right here, which is the main resistance, just like it was when it was still ranging here. If it breaks above that, I mean, it's not necessarily bullish, but then at least we can consolidate up here. And from this consolidation up here, I would say it's still most likely that we'll get back up to 70, and then probably long term, depending on how the market develops, but probably long term break above 70 and head up to $75. All right, so that's still a possibility now, but obviously we have to talk about whether this breakout above 64 cents is likely to happen, because that is entirely something different. All right, because what it really depends on, unfortunately, is Bitcoin. XRP right now is, well, it's not as correlated to Bitcoin as it has been, but overall XRP is very correlated with Bitcoin, definitely with moves like these. So it's just really, it's very much waiting what Bitcoin does. Bitcoin, say for the 64 cent level for XRP is the 42,600 level for Bitcoin. All right, so what we'll see today is that Bitcoin breaks above that level or not. All right, and if it does, it will probably consolidate up here, and it's still very bullish. If it doesn't, it will probably drop down lower. So the same goes for XRP. What XRP will do today is it will test this level right here between 63 and 64 cents. If it's able to break above that in the next 24 hours, great. Like I said, we'll consolidate up here between 67 and 64 cents. Then eventually we'll get back up to 70 cents and probably break above that. But if it doesn't break above that level, so if it finds resistance there, then we are really very much back into this consolidation range. And then even, like for example, if Bitcoin then starts dropping down to 40,000, then there's even a possibility that XRP drops down lower. That's not what I expect, all right? And I will keep you updated on that. That's definitely not what I expect on the short term. But then again, it's definitely also is a possibility, right? If I would have to give you my thoughts on what's most likely right now is, then I would say it's very hard, all right? Because you can also see with XRP that the open interest, for example, is dropping down quite rapidly right now, so there isn't that much momentum. So then a question becomes, well, if there's not that much momentum, why would XRP break above 64 cents? So yeah, I mean, there's between these two scenarios, these in my eyes are the two different scenarios. There really isn't one scenario that's way more likely than the other because I'm fundamentally bullish on XRP and still very much bullish on the markets. I would say it's most likely that XRP will be able to, in the next 24 hours, break back above 64 cents and recover and consolidate. But yeah, like I said, it's really going to depend on Bitcoin. So I would advise you to just take a look at that. And yeah, for now, those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. And I'll see you on my next videos. And down in the pinned comment in the description, by the way, you'll also find links to my own premium and signal group if that sounds interesting. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.